Welcome to the Authority Property Management audio blog, where rentals, real estate, and reality collide. Whether you're renting it out, living in it, or thinking about investing, we've got insights, stories, and strategies to keep you in the know. Let's dive right into today's topic.
Mid-year maintenance checklist: what to inspect before peak summer in Redding, California. Beat the Redding heat, inspect, tune up, and safeguard your rental before summer peaks. As Redding's temperatures climb into the triple digits, a little mid-year maintenance goes a long way toward preventing costly repairs and keeping tenants comfortable. Here's a Redding-specific checklist to tackle before the summer heat really sets in. 1. Roof and gutters. Inspect shingles and flashing. Look for cracked, curling, or missing shingles. Check flashing around chimneys and vents for leaks. Clean and test gutters. Remove debris to ensure proper water flow. Summer storms can still bring heavy downpours that cause overflow and water damage. 2. HVAC and evaporative coolers. Change filters and service units. Replace or clean filters monthly during peak use. Schedule a professional tune-up to check refrigerant levels, belts, and motors. Evaporative cooler check. For homes with swamp coolers, inspect pads, water lines, and pumps to guarantee efficient operation in Redding's dry heat. 3. Irrigation and landscaping. Test sprinklers and drip lines. Repair leaks or misaligned heads to conserve water and keep lawns green. Trim brush and debris removal. Create defensible space around structures by clearing dead branches and overgrowth, both fire safety and aesthetic wins. 4. Exterior paint and seals. Touch-up paint and caulking. Protect siding and trim from sun damage and pests by sealing cracks and refreshing weathered paint. Inspect window and door seals. Replace worn weather stripping to improve energy efficiency and prevent dust intrusion. 5. Safety devices. Smoke and CO detectors. Test batteries and sensors, especially important during wildfire season when smoke can infiltrate homes. Emergency lighting and exit paths. Ensure outdoor pathway lights work and escape routes are clear. 6. Plumbing and outdoor fixtures. Check hose bibs and valves. Examine outdoor faucets for leaks and proper shutoff. Inspect pool and spa equipment. Clean filters, check pumps, and balance chemicals before heavy use. 7. Pest prevention. Seal entry points. Fill gaps around pipes, vents, and foundation to block rodents and insects seeking shelter from the heat. Schedule preventative treatments. Consider a professional pest control inspection to avoid summer ant and scorpion invasions. Ready to ensure your rental stays cool, safe, and problem-free this summer? Reach out to Authority Property Management today for expert maintenance coordination and proactive peace of mind. Call us 530-410-6085. Visit our website www.authoritypm.com.
Thanks for tuning into the Authority Property Management audio blog. For more expert landlord or tenant tips, local market updates, and property management support, visit us at authoritypm.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or even drop us a review. Follow us on social media for the latest. Until next time, stay informed, stay profitable.